I made these chicken soup fried dumplings last week when my in-laws visited us. My husband says he prefers his dumplings crispy, thin, soft-boiled. This recipe fits all that criteria. I think they taste the best with a bit of brown vinegar. To make the chicken broth, I'm using a free-range chicken, about 1/2 kilo. Take 100 grams of ginger, cut it in half, and break it with the side of a knife. Place the chicken in a large soup pot. Add the ginger and 25 grams of Chinese cooking wine. Pour 5 liters of water, which is enough to cover all the ingredients. Cook it on high heat until it starts boiling. Use a spoon to remove any foam on the surface, then close the lid again, turn the heat to low, and continue cooking it for about 3 to 4 hours. We will only take the broth for our recipe here, but you can use the chicken flesh for many other dishes, such as a spicy chicken salad or as the topping for Sichuan cold noodles. For the dumpling filling, we will need 500 grams of pork mince, 50 grams of grated ginger juice, and 50 grams of minced spring onion, about 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, a pinch of black pepper powder, and a pinch of salt. Break our mince with a pair of chopsticks and mix all the ingredients together. Once they are incorporated, we can pour in our pre-made chicken broth, about 150 grams bit by bit for a few times. Mix the filling in one direction until it gets moist and sticky. Then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, black or white, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to add flavor, and mix them well. It's better to leave the filling in the fridge for a couple of hours. The mince will absorb all that rich broth and turn jelly-like, which is much easier to wrap later. To wrap a fried dumpling is no different from making a regular one. I bought some frozen wrappers to save a bit of time. However, you can also create your own by mixing 500 grams of regular all-purpose flour with 220 grams of boiling water. It should give you about 50 dumpling sheets. Place about ½ tablespoon of the pork filling in the middle of the wrapper. Use a bit of water to seal them properly. You can fold your dumplings any way you like. I have a different video on that. The link is on the card above. To fry them, we will need a flat non-stick frying pan. Pour in a few tablespoons of vegetable oil, turn the stove to medium heat, and place our dumplings side by side evenly into the pan. Then add about 6 times more of the water than the amount of oil. Close the lid properly and move the pan from time to time to heat it up evenly. Once the water almost evaporates, remove the lid and add in another couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. Remove the dumplings from the pan once they are cooked through, and the bottoms are golden brown. I like to serve them with a bit of brown vinegar and my self-made chili oil. Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。